They are the go-to dish if you are a college student, or that instant meal your parents give you while you were growing up. Here are 8 facts you might not know about ramen noodles. Number 1. Instant ramen was actually a luxury item. Initially, when it was first released, it was cheaper to actually buy Japanese noodles from the grocery store instead of buying the instant dish. Number 2. Every year, China consumes 46 billion packets according to the very real World Instant Noodles Association. Number 3. There's a museum that has an exhibit of instant cup of noodles in Japan. You can make your own noodle concoction and learn the history of the popular dish. Number 4. After seeing a long line of people waiting for a bowl of ramen, Momofuku Ando decided to invent his version of noodles that is instantly tasty, inexpensive, and easy to prepare. The chicken ramen was introduced in 1958, and the cup noodle was released in 1971. Number 5. The noodle length inside an instant ramen packet measures out to be 51 meters or 2 basketball courts. Number 6. At about 13 cents a package for 365 days, if you eat noodles at every meal, it might cost you at around $140. Number 7. The FDA recommends a daily limit of sodium of 2,300 milligrams. One packet of noodles contain 1,820 milligrams, and that's chicken flavor. Number 8. According to a study from the Journal of Nutrition, eating this instant dish just 2 or more times a week is linked to cardiometabolic syndrome, which increases the chances of you getting heart disease, a stroke, or diabetes. So there you have it. 8 facts about ramen noodles you can discuss while having dinner with your friends. For more food facts on Fridays, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if there's information I missed, write it in the comments below.